It's been around for approximately 3 to 4 months, I guess. That is when we realized the hive was here. Called Mr. Ramin in, and we're now about to go and extract these bees without killing them.
Are you excited about doing it yourself?
Really excited to be a part of this.
Ah, great. So we're going to get you all suited up.
I'm now going to put on my suit.
You're going to be a part of it.
So that I won't get stung. Suit it up.
Try which one is first. A barrel. I don't use anything else. Oh, that's okay. Alright, you get used to it. Come close so you can get the feel of it, get comfortable with it. And then I'm gonna just you remember you have the veil on, so just get used to they can get to you through here. Now we're gonna have to let's feel the weight of this barrel. Even to the top. Oh, this is really okay. You think we could probably put a barrel in the middle of the yard there?
Yeah, if you can get it over there.
Okay, let's try to lift it and carry it over there. And then we'll dismantle the barrel.
You can see the cream.
Wow. Okay. That's phase one.
Wow.
They're all gonna still home in on that direction. We're gonna look at how we could dismantle this barrel. Now, we look at this and see how best we can do this. The cones should be attached to the top and the walls.
I saw something at the bottom.
Yeah, that was where some of the cones had fell to the ground. We could turn the barrel to the side and get in it, but we have to keep the cones could also crumble if we do that. Or we could just dismantle the barrel itself in a strategic way. I can cut through here, that would be fine. Or I could just do this. Let's see where they are. It's basically in this area here. Right, that's a screw, that's a screw. This is a block. I like history, I hate destroying anything else. Okay, let's do this. We make it just, without cutting the barrel, we make it just. See, I wouldn't want to drop these nails in the yard because, you know, you may be used to walking around the yard bare feet. Yeah, the worst kind.
There's so many bees.
Yes.
Oh.
put these pieces together. Oh. Well, come take a look. You're gonna have to trust me.
My gracious. I should have my camera on.
You can take some photos. There's a lot of brood. Rest it on the ground next to the box. Oh no, rest it right on top of the box. With the frames. Like clean up like that. No, don't swap. You're okay. You're okay. They feel like they're coming in at you, huh?
Yeah, it's fast and
Yeah,
furious.
there you go. Hold it in your hand. Rest it on top of that lid. See, this is the reason why we couldn't turn the barrel a certain direction. Because the combs are broken. And I noticed there are a lot of new combs. I'm going to break this now. And rest it on the lid as well. You got a few photos with you and your bees.
Considered small, average, or large?
That's a pretty good size hive. You have a barrel full of bees. I've heard a barrel full of monkeys. Another barrel full of bees. Let me get a photo of you next to your barrel. Yeah, look at me and smile. You try to smile.
Barrel of bees.
You want to reach in and pick up one of the honeycombs? See one of the smaller ones? One of the cones?
Right
Yeah.
here?
Yeah, put your hand in. That means all the way down. No, get one from the bottom. I want you to take courage.
Bottom.
I want you to get one from the bottom.
I think I'll just take this one from the
I want you. Got it? You need to cut it? Great. Great. Let's rest it on the box. So we can start some of our surgical work on this. Want this hive to survive, so there are certain things that we one is going to have to reconstruct the hive. You see what's happening here? These are the baby bees.
Okay.
There are just a couple of different categories. One is cap. white, and then the worms. A lot of we'll assemble these into the frames. Sometimes a bee may hive, may be into the brood stage, but not into what they call the honey flow. Honey flow is when the hive is just at a stage of producing honey. This cone is weaker at that point because the white cone is weaker. But it's the middle cone. Because I want the strongest cone to the bottom to hit the meat. This is a lot of food. Not yet. That's what we're going to put.
And all these million bees?
Yes. She's probably producing somewhere in the area of about 1,500, 2,000 eggs a day. I don't know what you'd do if you had a daughter, or even if yourself was having a baby that often.
This is
These cells are bigger because they would be drone cells. Drone bees are the male bees, okay?
okay.
And, you know, this shows that women don't play. There's only a couple of them. Virtually every bee in this hive is a female. Except the drones, which are big. And if I see one, I'll show it to you. And he's a male. He doesn't even sting. All he does is we eat, they take care of him, and when it's time to mate, he mates and die. The other bees will sting and die, the drones. All these bees are women. Oh, that's nice. We should taste it. I hope you get some of the taste. I really love this taste. Yeah. I really like that. So we'll see what we get. I'll go further down the bar.
Been here for a long time, obviously.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do, save as much of this as possible, and they're going to repair this and put this all back together again. I'll have to tend to them for a couple of days. Make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to do. And then make sure that they don't get attacked by any parasites. Like this here, that's a brand new baby bee. With herring fly. What happens is that the younger bees, they become nurse bees. All bees don't just go straight out and harvest. As they age, they take on different roles.
Okay.
So the new bees are remained as nurse bees, and they will clean up and tend to the queen. Then they have bees that are mortician bees. They do exactly that. You remember the song "One in a Million"?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm looking for. One bee among all these bees.
Now, what if the bee isn't in there? It's over there flying around.
No, that one will be.
In here.
The queen, as the queen slash hive, have the same policy as Bahamas Air.
Okay.
When you're pregnant, just hold this. To a certain extent, you can't fly. I'll explain that to you when I get back. So it's very, very light. So it's just not too much in there. What you do is hold your hand over the box, tap your wrist, and I'll shake the bees now without squeezing the cone hard. Yeah. Then you can rest that on your side somewhere. I'm not going to wood or whatever. Oh, this is so unfortunate. These are so many brand new.
So this is the wrong time to do it.
Not necessarily time. It's hard to tell a lot.
Especially how they were in the barrel.
Yeah. I'll just rest this. Picking up the fragile ones first. The bottom. That means how this is here, this would have exploded on you in the next month or two.
Wow.
See, this is babies. And most of our time is making babies.
Babies.
If you're in the honey flow, that's a little less babies. So the hive had gotten so large, they become that much more efficient. You know, yeah. This is a good photo. And you hold it without squeezing it. Support the weight here. Let me get a couple photos of that. That is awesome shot. Stand over the barrel, turn it up towards me. That's an awesome shot. Turn your head a little bit this much so I can see your face. Remember the veil? Yeah. I'm going to get a close-up. Yeah, let's see these. Alright. Stay right there, just like that. You'll be okay. Let's not see your face. It's okay. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, we can rest that one on the lid. Okay.
Shocking myself.
Yeah, you're doing well. You know, there's about 80,000 bees in this barrel.
Gain that confidence.
Oh, wow. Flashlight. Yeah, we're gonna see all the crane clip in case I spot her. One in a million. You're literally looking for one in a million. Literally. And we're lucky most of the bees are at home. 2/3 of the bees are out working. This is not your whole hive.
Out of this barrel?
Yeah, this is not your whole hive. So you're not seeing full side of your hive. And see, I dropped the guards, so now they just settle. It's like getting rid of troublemakers sometimes. I have a couple of little tricks up there that can use.
All of these.
We put them in the bedroom, you'll be the new queen bee. Come on, you can control. Hey, you manage institutions and everything else. You can handle a couple of 100,000 bees, right?
Oh. This queen bee. Figure that you just go there and spot her and
Yeah. Tends to be the thought.
now I see when he said 3 hours.
Yep. And you see these here?
And especially the size.
Yep.
Wow, these have no spiral itself is heavy.
Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish building the...
Okay, so as you build that, then they will gravitate towards it, or?
Well, they gravitate to the queen even as a greater priority than even coming to this. But what I will do is I'll reconstruct the hive in a order. And I want to encourage them to start rebuilding. But I still got to get the queen, do whatever else. If I don't get the queen, then I'll have to go into a method that will force them to reproduce a queen. And then keep the hive alive. So there's a couple of things that I can do. But I think I'm gonna find it.
Out of how many thousand?
I'm pretty sure you have probably at least 80,000 in there. I believe your hive itself is excess of probably 150,000 bees.
No more bees in the house then.
They all like in your yard. They're hanging out for you. I really think the size of this hive, you think this hive is a couple of years old, but from the type of the nature of the comb that somebody moved it, I would think this really is maybe just a couple of months. I think what ended up happening was you had a huge swarm that came in the first instance. It wasn't a small swarm, it was a massive swarm. And because the swarm was so large, you had a good starting.
It wasn't in a position where you would disturb it, so
Yeah.
you didn't even know it was there.
Yeah.
All the time.
And I do what I do to try to keep them gentle. I like when persons interact with them, even if they don't necessarily like them. Let's interact with them a bit. She isn't on her. He's resting on the grass next to that phone book. She's a pretty light. Dumpster diving.
That's okay. You should just smoke them out, put them to sleep, and then carry them away.
The thing about all the smoke does is create a defensive response. The defensive response is positive to us. It's like me and you in your yard cussing and rowing and fighting, right? If you turn around and realize our house on fire, don't you think you can stop rowing?
Oh, yeah, in a hurry.
Alright, let's split this into two, because it's already prepared. I haven't looked at this bit for the queen. Hold that one second.
Babies.
Yeah, she's really young. Who's it? It's a good thing we got out the barrel. This was not an ideal situation. If they had honeycombs, it would have been messy and just keep collapsing and falling in. These ones that we put in.
Put them in there.
Now I'm going to take those with me. Now let's try to find Sweet Girl.
Come on, me, sweet girl.
Sweet Girl need to come around you so you can tell her where to come. Always if you have some with you. Do you have a top? Or like how you have the shower curtain? You have one like this? Can this move?
Yeah, you use that.
Yeah, we can rig up something.
Yeah, you can use that.
We can put that there. I can dump all the beading.
And where? In
On
that?
top of it. On top of it.
On top of it, they just... Someone say, all you need is a big plastic garbage bag. I said, how would that work?
Listen to so many people that are somewhere else. Everybody's going to be an expert when they're ready. I'm gonna try to dump them all on here so you can see the queen.
And then we need the smoke bag. Because I'm sure you all the little bag out there.
Where do we put the clip?
I gave it to you.
Yeah.
Oh,
There
yeah.
it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Now there's a couple of ways I could do this. I could spray them with a little bit of water, calm them, set them down, but this should work. It's, how to say, it's just so crazy, it just might work.
Then you figure all them would just start going in there where the coons are. It doesn't work like that.
No, I gotta find. Oh, the boss lady.
Oh.
It's okay. Okay. Oh! You can get him on the boss lady. You did that. They good. You're good. We're gonna find the queen. Just taking a photo. I tell you, I'm gonna find out by hook or by crook.
I would love to see her too. Yeah, well, keep in my mind.
Okay, you ready? We're gonna do just what I did. Grab one, put it over it, shake it out, okay? Shake it right over the bowl. Just pull one out gently with something with a lot of them on it.
pretty.
I know that. That's why I said. You think I didn't recognize that? Just peek at it first to see if the queen is on it. You will see she's an unusual queen.
Long bungie. I'm not being rude. She has a real gussy in my backside.
Turn it over. Turn it over. And you see the back of it. And she can't fly because she's pregnant. You know, in Bahamas here, the plane they say turn over that around in front of you. They say you can't fly, you're too pregnant after what, 8 months now?
Right. So you hold it strong. And just like we do with your hand, you shock it. Try not to hit the box like I did. Yeah, drop them. Good. Good. That'd be a third on this. Okay, let's grab another. 2. You grab one, I grab one. Ready? Got it?
Let's take a look at it.
Look up yours.
See if she's on you. Turn it slowly. Yeah, that's pollen. Turn it over. That's them coming home with pollen. Turn it over again.
Alright, shake it. Good. Right. Never gone crazy. Alright, now this is a good cluster on here.
A real good cluster. I would prefer to see her than to just accidentally have her in the room. I would like to show you her. And when she moved through the crowd, they just like pathways.
Oh, you just let her.
And you know, like how you don't turn your back to the queen in real courts, that's how you do it too. Whenever the queen is there, you'll normally see bees facing her. They have all kind of respect. I'm telling you.
Serious high off. See that? If you're ready to grab them now too. Those things so far, right?
I got you back.
Let me take a look.
Okay. Boy, girl, listen there. Don't steal my there she is. We gotta save that. We can't even joke with that. What? You want to see me do my queen dance? Are you ready to be embarrassed? Watch me do my queen dance.
Ready? Give it a shake. Give it a good hot shake. Up. Good. Check this. Ah, there she is. There she is. There she is right here. See there? Big bungie?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's her birthday. You ready to do the train dance?
Yeah.
I hope I didn't lose her.
Yeah, I think you did. Wait.
She's not in here.
No, turn it back around. I just saw her.
Yeah.
The other way. Yep.
Oh, I was so cautious not wanting to squish her. Now you know she's on here. Let's see.
Oh, there she is. There she is. Yeah, let me take a picture of you holding the queen bee. There she is. You see her?
You got the queen bee. You got the queen bee. You're supposed to do the dance. You're supposed to do an embarrassingly shameful dance. Do you know what this means? That means it is finished. The battle is over. Hold up close to their face so I get a photo with her right there. This is literally what you're saying. It is finished. The battle is over. Oh my God. We got the queen, eh? Woo! If you know how significant this is, I mean, the midst of this barrel. Now let's flip her. Then she said to sometimes try to just get it right here, right here.
Got her?
shake that?
Oh, so you do have one.
Shake those in the box. Okay. There she is. You can hold it. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Let me show you how important that is. We can close this up and don't even worry about them no more.
No.
And they will come in this box.
Just like the rest.
See that? You see that bungie? See the size of it?
Just like the
See how
rest.
long the abdomen is?
Yeah.
Much longer. The drone is fat. They come in, see how it's gravitating there? So now, this is what we can do. We can take this hive. I'm going to put the queen in it. See, they come into my hand because of the smell of the queen, pheromone. I'm going to put the queen in it. I'm going to leave her in that cage. And all of these are going to gravitate and eventually come into this box.
She can't crawl out, eh?
No, she can't crawl out. It's a crane cage. She can't get out. They can get in, but she can't get out because they're smaller. Okay? Ready? Oh, you squeezed it. Where's your hand? Where's
No,
it?
I didn't squeeze it.
Yeah, where did?
I was just holding it.
I know. You were holding it. I was supposed to tell you that. You were holding it. You were holding it here. See, when you hold it here, there's pressure. Where did she go?
She in there, eh?
No. Where did she go? Oh, we lost the queen. Oh, I forget to tell you hold it with one. I was looking at you and I was supposed to tell you that, you know. Don't clap. Don't clap. She may be on you.
But they were all...
Now we got to find her again. Here it is. Remember, look what I told you.
Oh,
See how they all facing her?
Yeah.
See that?
Okay.
So when you lose her, you follow by pattern. So you got to know many ways of doing it. See, watch this. See when I hold this gently? You was holding it gently, but it opened up. So hold it here.
Okay.
That's how you learn, right?
Okay, there she is.
We got to take a video. They're going to zoom in on her. This is nice. You got your queen. There she is, and you see how they all just around her. Remember I told you how they face her? They don't respect her, just disrespect at all. Now she can't fly, that's why when I told you to stand still, I knew that if she got off from you, she would only drift like at an angle or based upon how the wind is moving. She's too pregnant to fly. They want to. Delta would not allow on.
She's barely crawling. Just crawling around.
So I'm going to pick her up. I'm going to give it back to you again. Yeah, that's how you learn. There she goes.
Still right there to the end, eh?
Underneath. There she goes.
Right there.
Where?
Right there. See her?
Oh yeah.
Boy, I can even recognize
See that? Once your eyes are trained to it, eh? I'm telling you, you're doing better than me.
This way.
Oh my God! See, once your eyes have come trained to her. Let's get it step. Make sure she climbs up. Okay. And yeah, so
tell
see
me
the slightest
something,
pressure. So you just hold the side like that.
Flying in there.
Let me look. No, it's just close by. Alright, so this you can hold it to the side because any pressure here would open it up. See, these are the exact size that they can get it, but she can't get it. So you hold it by the edge. Now we don't have to worry about anything anymore. We just won the battle.
So, next step.
Next step is we'll take this. I'm going to let all of them just come into the hive. I'm going to let her do it. I'm going to show you right there.
I have now.
Yeah, let's see. Hold her up.
She's trying to get out.
Yeah, she can. As long as we don't squeeze it. Yeah, it's a special way.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put her in here because I know she won't be able to get out. I'm going to put her like that. They're going to smell her. And I'm going to seal this up. The
So
top of
how
it,
are they going to get in now with the cover on?
I'm going to open up the front door. I have to seal it up in a manner so that when I come to remove it, I can just pick it up and go with it. Cardboard around here, right? Probably not. Okay. I'm just hoping that this lid is sort of tight enough. I can use this. I push down on it. I want it to be snug. Because when I pick it up, I'm going to be putting it in my car.
I just was gonna say, you know, my clothes. I forgot.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
Now that's that. Now I will open this door. Here. But what I'm going to do is put this back over here where the hive was. So that those bees that are coming home looking for the hive, they're going to come back to that location.
So what happened to all of these?
Oh, they're going to go. They're going to go. They're going to go right back over there. Guarantee you. And trust me on that one. No, you're supposed to say I trust you on that one.
Okay. I can walk through the bees. The value of the shadow of the bees.
Change that camera angle. Now you're beginning to see how much bees is there, right? Yeah, we work well together. But if I'm doing another one, see?
I'm almost feeling like
I got one 3 stories up. If we get dangled from a thin piece of rope. On it. Then you gotta name your hive as you, how you when you crown over the lid. We got a cushion, Her Majesty. There's the lid. I'll screw it on after you rest it on. You just rest it right on. Notice virtually all are in there, and they're starting to use the entrance now.
where's the entrance?
Right there in the front. See the opening I made? So what are you gonna call your hive?
This hive will be called Tiger's Hive.
Keega's Hive.
Hive.
I like that.
Tiger's Hive. Our work has been completed.
Yes. Yes. Oh, awesome.
Well done.
Awesome. That's better than a barrel. That's better than a barrel. And what we're going to do is allow everybody to get the memo. And they're going to come home tonight. And I'll come back tonight and pick the box up. And they'll all be gone clean and healthy. And then I'll put them in a larger. I'll double this up because of the volume of these. Perfect.
Now you can let the world know how many bees approximately there were.
I need who you want to give a shout out to, because this hive estimate had about at least 150,000 bees.
Wow.
And you know the majority of them were out. And that barrel is rocking.
Who you want to give a shout out to? Who would not believe that you tackled the hive in the early yard?
This shout out is to Charles, Shala, and Chara. We have captured the bees. We have saved the bees.
Wow. Oh, thank you so much.
Over
50,000, yeah.
150,000 bees. Believe it.
Ah, wonderful. Oh, this is so great.